Hi everyone. In this video we're going to talk about Dragon NaturallySpeaking and what to do when it degrades to a point where it doesn't really recognize words correctly anymore and it's not as effective as it was in the beginning. What you can do in some Dragon versions is just create a new profile and that will work fine. But in some versions, for some reason, you can't really do that in the interface. And when the quality of recognition deteriorates, you really need to refresh that user. So what you need to do is first go to your C drive and get to programs data. To find programs data, you need to first go to options, then view, then show hidden files, apply OK, and it will show you this folder. When you get to this folder, search for nuance. In nuance, search for the version you have, the latest version you bought, and users. In users, you will find a user that you're currently using. Make sure that Dragon NaturallySpeaking is closed. Move it to another location as follows. Just moved it here. This is empty and the Dragon is closed. So reopening Dragon NaturallySpeaking, and it's gonna identify that there's no profiles and start the process again. I'm gonna copy mine back because I don't need to recreate a profile again, but this is what you need to do to refresh the profile once it's degraded and you want to just start anew. Good luck, don't forget to subscribe, that helps me a lot, and have a great day!